Welcome to the Identify experience. We would like to thank you for joining the millions of consumers that have chosen our products, and we sincerely thank you for your business. Identify point-of-care devices are utilized by hospitals, pain management physicians, drug court systems, national rehabilitation facilities, employers, and small home offices. Let's get started with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions on how to perform and interpret your Identify drug test device. In addition to the drug test device, you'll need access to a timer, writing utensil, and a clean urine collection container. Begin in a well-lit place. Have a watch or timer ready. Make sure the urine sample, if refrigerated, and the drug screening test card are at room temperature before testing. Remove the dip card from the sealed pouch. Make sure not to touch the test area of the device. Write the donor name or ID in the provided space, then remove the cap. With the arrows pointing towards the urine specimen, immerse the sample tips vertically in the urine specimen for at least 20 seconds. Remove the device from the urine specimen and put the cap back on the dip card. Place the dip card on a flat surface. Start the timer and wait for the colored lines to appear. Read the results at 5 minutes. Negative test result. A negative test result is indicated by 2 colored lines of any intensity. One colored line appears in the control zone, and another colored line appears in the test zone. This result means that the urine screened negative. Remember, even a very faint line is a negative result. Preliminary positive test result. When interpreting a preliminary positive test result, a single colored line appears in the control region C, and no line appears in the test region T. This means the urine screen is considered to be preliminary positive. Invalid test result. A test should be considered an invalid result if no line appears or if a line appears in the test region T without a line in the control region C. An invalid test should be repeated with a new test device. Insufficient specimen volume or incorrect procedural techniques are the most likely reasons for an invalid result. If your device screens for adulterations, read the results between 2 and 5 minutes. See the color chart for interpretation. If the specimen indicates adulteration, we recommend not to interpret the drug test results and either retest the urine or collect another specimen. Adulteration testing is a key indicator in the determination of sample tampering. Identify Health offers various configurations. This video is for informational purposes only. Please refer to your package insert for detailed instructions. Thank you for taking the time to watch our how-to video. If you have further questions about our products or your results, please contact us on our website at www.identifydiagnostics.com. Thank you for choosing Identify.